Good morning, everyone. World Animal Day is observed every year on October 4 to raise awareness about improving the welfare standards of animals across the globe. The day was founded in 1975 with the vision of creating awareness of cruelty to animals and promoting greater compassion and respect for animals through education and publicity. The theme for World Animal Day 2021 is Forest and Livelihoods Sustaining People and Planet. World Animal Day is a wonderful reminder how animals enhance our lives. So, let's see on this Animal Day what our little kids have to say.
World Animal Day is celebrated on 4th October every year. It is celebrated to raise awareness about improving welfare standards of the animals. Animals play an important role in our lives. Hunters kill animals for leather, fur and ivory. Water pollution affects the animals that live in the water. Shoot animals with cameras, not with guns. We need to protect animals because the earth is not just our home, it belongs to them as well. Thank you.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some hens, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Hi, I am lion. I am a wild animal of cat family. I live jungle. I am called king of jungle. I am strong and powerful. I make loud roaring sound. Good, good. Hi friends, my name is Joan Jacob Dijo. I am studying in LKG. Today I am going to tell about tiger. I am living in forest. I am a wild animal. I am strong animal. I am the national animal of India. Say tiger, say India. Thank you. Hello, my dear friends. My name is Ivadia Legend. I am talking about tiger. Tiger is the national with India. It is a wild animal. It lives in jungle. It is a beautiful animal and strong animal. Thank you. I am a tiger. I am a national animal. This is my Manu.
രണ്ട് വലിയ കണ്ണ്, നീളമുള്ള ഉണ്ട് എനിക്ക്.